Hello dear students, welcome back to the maths class of standard 5. In the previous video session you studied different topic like mark the route, trip to Red Fort and find out from map 4. We have solved this question in that session. Today we are going to start with the new topic make it bigger, make it smaller, which is given on page number 119.
Now children, open the page number 119. Here topic is make it bigger, make it smaller. Here are some pictures drawn on a 1 centimeter square grid. This is 1 centimeter square grid. Try making the same pictures. Means this picture, this lamp, leaf and a car, on a 2 centimeter grid and also on half centimeter grid. This is of 2 centimeter grid, this is, and this is half centimeter grid. You need to make the same picture, this picture, on this two types of grid, 2 centimeter grid and half centimeter grid. So children, this is your homework and do yourself this is, and do this means draw this picture in your textbook. Now the side of the square was made 2 times bigger. Does its area also become 2 times bigger? No, its area will become 4 times bigger. How? Let us see. Here children, as we know, the area of square is equal to side into side. This is the formula of the area of square is equal to side square. And when we double the side, that means when sides are double, the area of square is equal to 2 into side, double the side, so we multiply by 2 and 2 into side, so answer will be 4 into side square. That means if we make the side of the square 2 times bigger, the area becomes 4 times bigger.
Now try this. This is a part of the parade route map 3. Means this is one part of parade route map 3. This is parade route map 3 and it is one part of this map. Here let us answer this question 1. Can you see which part of the route map it is? So children, observe this picture. Can you tell me which part of the route map it is? Here you can see this hexagon, half hexagon you can see here, and other part also you observe. So let us see in the map. So it is one part of here. So here you can see this half hexagon and this part. So children, you can observe this part in map 3. So we can write the answer here. Yes, we can see this part of the route map. It indicates Rajpath, Janpath, Mansingh Road, India Gate, etc. Now here is given question number 2. Now try to make it bigger in this 2 centimeter grid. Remember that the shape of the map should not change. So children, this is your homework. Draw this part of route map in this 2 centimeter grid and try to draw same shape in this route map. Now question number 3. If the parade route map is smaller and the distance between India Gate and Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeter, what would be its scale? Options are 1 centimeter on map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. Half centimeter on map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground, and 2 centimeter on map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. Obviously here answer is 2 centimeter on map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. So we can write the answer. Its scale would be 2 centimeter on map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. This option is correct. Now proceeding further, here new topic is dancers from different states. The children saw many floats, jhankies and dancers in the parade. Dancers from Karnataka were the best. All these people have to travel so much to come to Delhi. I like the Tripura dance. From Tripura and Sikkim, they have to travel far. But Haryana and Uttarakhand are closer to Delhi. So these children are thinking and they are giving their opinion. So now let us move on page number 121. Here look at the map of India below and find the states these children are talking about. Answer the questions. These children are talking about states Karnataka, Delhi, Tripura, Sikkim and Uttarakhand. So let us find all the states in this map. Children were talking about Haryana, Delhi, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Tripura and Karnataka. I have indicated all the states in this map. You can also indicate in your book. Now proceeding further on page number 122. Now let us answer the question which are given below. Question 1. The Karnataka team starts from Bangalore and moves in the north direction. Which states does it cross to reach Delhi? Children, Karnataka is here and this team start from Bangalore and moves in the north direction. That means here is north direction, this side upside north direction to reach the Delhi, and Delhi is here. Children, Karnataka team start from Bangalore and moves to north direction, means toward this side. Here is upside is north direction to reach the Delhi. So which state does it cross? You can see here these all states. So from Bangalore to Delhi, the team crosses following states: Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, or Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Haryana. There are two routes or two ways to reach to Delhi from Karnataka to Delhi or from Bangalore to Delhi. Means they can either go in this way: Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi, or they can go in other way like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana and Delhi. So here we can write the answer. The Karnataka team crosses Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Haryana. Now question number 2. Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of Delhi. So the team from there travels towards south to reach Delhi. Which states does it cross? So let us see in the map. Children, here is Jammu and Kashmir and they want to go to Delhi. So Delhi is here. So from Jammu and Kashmir, the team crosses the following states like Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. So here is the answer. From Jammu and Kashmir to Delhi, the team crosses Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. Now question number 3. Nonu lives in Gujarat. Nonu's friend Javed lives in West Bengal. Nonu wants to visit his friend. In which direction will he travel? So now Nonu wants to go from Gujarat to West Bengal. So in which direction will he travel? Let us see in the map. Here is Gujarat. Nonu lives in Gujarat and he wants to go West Bengal. And West Bengal is to the east of Gujarat. So in which direction will he travel? Obviously here towards east. Here east. So here answer B is correct. That is option B, towards east. Now question number 4. Is there any state which is to the north of Jammu and Kashmir? No, there is no state which is to the north of Jammu and Kashmir. Is there any state which is to the west of Gujarat? So here in answer number 4 we can write there is no state which is to the north of Jammu and Kashmir. And in answer number 5 we can write there is no state to west of Gujarat. Now question number 6. If 1 centimeter on the map shows 200 kilometer on the ground, use this scale to find out about how far is Delhi from Jaipur. So you can find out the distance between Delhi from Jaipur using a scale. So if you observe here, the distance between Delhi to Jaipur is 1.5 centimeter. That means 250 kilometer on the ground. So here in answer number A, option C is correct, 250 kilometer. Here question number B is estimate how far is Jaipur from Bhopal. So let us see in the map. So here is Jaipur and here is Bhopal. It is about 2 centimeter. So distance between them is 2 centimeter is equal to 400 kilometer. And in answer B, on the map is equal to 2 centimeter, then on the ground is equal to 400 kilometer. Now question number 7. Look at the map and tell which state is surrounded by 4 other states. So let us look in the map. So if you look here in the map, here Madhya Pradesh is surrounded by 4 other states. So here the answer of question number A is Madhya Pradesh, which is surrounded by 4 other states. Now question number B. Which state has the largest area? If its name is not in the map, find it from your teacher or parents. Explain how you got your answer. So if we see in the map, Rajasthan has the largest area. This can be easily observed by looking at the map. This can be confirmed by searching on the internet. The answer of question number B is Rajasthan. This has the largest area if we see in the map. Then now question number C. Which state is about 8 times bigger in area than Sikkim? You can answer this question by estimate the area of each state which is given in the map. Answer of question number C is Himachal Pradesh is about 8 times bigger in area than Sikkim. Now question number D. About how many times of Punjab is the area of Rajasthan? So here we can write the answer. Rajasthan is about 7 times the area of Punjab. Students, here is the end of this session. Your homework is write the solution of the questions which we have solved today in your maths notebook from the PDF file. Thank you.